Your heart is amazing. It works hard every day. It pumps blood all around your body. This blood carries oxygen and nutrients. Everything needs this to stay healthy and strong. Taking care of your heart is super important. When your heart is healthy, you feel good. You have more energy to work and play. You can live a longer, happier life. One of the best ways to keep your heart happy is through good food. What you eat matters a lot. Let's learn about some yummy and healthy dinner recipes. Today, many people eat food that is not so good for their hearts. Fast food and processed food can be tasty, but they often contain lots of salt, sugar and unhealthy fats. These things can make your heart work too hard. Over time, they can lead to heart problems. That's why it's so important to choose heart-healthy foods. Don't worry, eating for a healthy heart doesn't have to be boring. You can enjoy delicious meals that are good for you too. Salmon is a fantastic fish for your heart. It's not just delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining good health. These healthy fats can lower your risk of heart disease, reduce inflammation, and even improve brain function. This recipe is easy and quick to make, perfect for a weeknight dinner or a special occasion. Ingredients: salmon fillets, assorted vegetables like broccoli, carrots and zucchini. These vegetables not only add colour to your plate, but also provide essential vitamins and minerals. You'll also need olive oil, salt and pepper. Olive oil is a great source of healthy fats and adds a wonderful flavour to the dish. Instructions. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures that everything cooks evenly and comes out perfectly roasted. Then, chop your vegetables into bite-sized pieces. This helps them cook faster and makes them easier to eat. Toss the vegetables with olive oil, salt and pepper. Make sure they are well coated so they roast beautifully. Place the salmon fillets on a baking sheet. You can line the sheet with parchment paper for easy cleanup. Arrange the vegetables around the salmon. This allows the flavors to meld together as they cook. Finally, bake in the preheated oven for about 20-25 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through and the vegetables are tender. The salmon should flake easily with a fork, and the vegetables should be slightly caramelized and golden brown. Serve your salmon and roasted vegetables hot, garnished with fresh herbs like parsley or dill for an extra burst of flavor. Enjoy this heart-healthy, delicious meal with your loved ones. Section 4. Recipe 2. Lentil Soup. Today, we're diving into a classic comfort dish that's both nutritious and delicious. Lentil soup is a staple in many households and for good reason. It's easy to make, packed with nutrients and incredibly satisfying. Lentils are tiny but mighty. These small legumes are a powerhouse of nutrition. They are full of fibre, which can help lower cholesterol. Additionally, lentils are a great source of protein, making them an excellent meat substitute for vegetarians and vegans. This soup is hearty, warming and perfect for a cold evening. Let's go over the ingredients you'll need to make this delicious dish. Ingredients include vegetable broth, which serves as the base of our soup, providing a rich and savoury flavour. Carrots chopped, adding a touch of sweetness and a pop of colour. Garlic, minced for that aromatic depth. Salt and pepper to taste, enhancing all the flavours. 1. Rinse the lentils in cold water. This step is crucial to remove any dirt or debris. 2. Heat some olive oil in a large pot. Olive oil adds a nice subtle flavour and helps to sauté the vegetables. 3. Add the onion, carrots, celery and garlic. Cook until softened. This usually takes about 5-7 minutes. The vegetables should be tender but not browned. 4. Add the lentils, vegetable broth, bay leaf, salt and pepper. The bay leaf adds an extra layer of flavour, making the soup even more aromatic. 5. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer until the lentils are tender. This should take about 25-30 minutes. Stir occasionally to ensure the lentils cook evenly. Once done, remove the bay leaf and serve hot. Enjoy your hearty homemade lentil soup. Section 5. Recipe 3. Chicken stir-fry. This dish is a delightful combination of tender chicken and a medley of fresh, colourful vegetables, all brought together with a savoury and slightly sweet sauce. It's a quick and easy meal that's perfect for any night of the week. Chicken is a lean protein that can be part of a heart-healthy diet. It's low in fat and high in essential nutrients, making it a great choice for a balanced meal. When preparing chicken for stir-fry, it's important to cut it into uniform, bite-sized pieces to ensure even cooking. This stir-fry is packed with colourful vegetables and flavourful sauce. The vibrant colours not only make the dish visually appealing, but also indicate a variety of nutrients. Ingredients: boneless, skinless chicken breast, cut into bite-sized pieces. This ensures that the chicken cooks quickly and evenly, absorbing all the flavours of the sauce. Assorted vegetables: broccoli, bell peppers, snap peas. These vegetables add a crunch and a burst of colour to the dish. Feel free to add any other vegetables you like, such as carrots, mushrooms or zucchini. Soy sauce for that umami flavour, honey for a touch of sweetness, garlic and ginger grated for a fragrant and spicy kick. These ingredients come together to create a sauce that is both savoury and slightly sweet, perfectly complementing the chicken and vegetables. Instructions: 1. Heat some oil in a wok or large skillet. The oil should be hot but not smoking to ensure that the chicken cooks quickly and evenly. 2. Add the chicken and cook until browned. This step is crucial as it locks in the juices and gives the chicken a nice golden colour. 3. Add the vegetables and stir-fry until crisp tender. Stir-frying the vegetables quickly over high heat helps to retain their colour, texture and nutrients. 4. In a small bowl, whisk together soy sauce, honey, garlic and ginger. This sauce is the heart of the dish, bringing all the flavours together. 5. Pour the sauce over the chicken and vegetables. Make sure to coat everything evenly for the best flavour. 6. Stir-fry until the sauce is thickened and the chicken is cooked through. The sauce should cling to the chicken and vegetables, creating a glossy finish. Serve hot and enjoy your delicious and nutritious chicken stir-fry. Section 6. Tips and substitutions. You can use different types of fish in the salmon recipe, such as cod or tilapia. Feel free to add other vegetables to the recipes, like mushrooms, spinach or sweet potatoes. If you don't have vegetable broth, you can use water instead. For a vegan version of the lentil soup, omit the bay leaf and use vegetable broth instead of chicken broth. You can adjust the amount of spices to your liking. Section 7. The delicious path to a healthy heart. Eating for a healthy heart is a journey, not a race. Start by making small changes to your diet. Try incorporating 1 or 2 of these recipes into your weekly meal plan. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. With a little creativity, you can enjoy delicious and satisfying meals that are good for your heart and your taste buds.